natin ngayon, pumapasok sa entrance sa loob. Masilayan na natin ngayon kung ano mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng Ocean Park. Makikita natin ang lahat ng uri ng isda na narito ngayon. Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa kasalukuyang mahaba-habang pila at marami ring gustong manood. Napakahabang pila guys, daming tao ngayon, araw kasi ito ng linggo, April 6 sa buwang kasalukuyan. Gusto rin makapanood ng lahat ng uri ng isla dito sa Ocean Park. Sige.
Alright, one, two, one. One more. Wagi naman ba? Wagi.
Picture daw muna. So guys, dito na kami sa loob. Papasok na kami. Dito na kami sa entrance. Guys, ito mga uri ng oriwana. Ito guys, ito na mga uri ng mga isda.
Picture daw tayo. Picture tayo.
Hello guys, dito na naman kami, aakit kami sa taas. Mahaba-haba itong akyatin.
Kinakain ko yun. Kuya, jump in.
Ah, may buaya.
Kinakain ko lang yan eh.
Kinakain lang natin kuya yan. Ah, sarap yan.
Oh my God. This is so cool.
Yun sa baba, maraming magaganda. Mga goldfish. Racket ulit tayo sa taas. Ilalabdas. Oh, na naman tayo sa panibagong area ng mga isda. Ito,
Oh my God.
napakarami. Oo. Hindi, diba? Parang tilapia. Yun to guys, daming isda. Sari-sari. Yan o.
So many fish.
Catfish, ito. So guys, dito naman tayo sa malilit na aquarium. Ito yung mga sea snake. Mga sea snake yan. Yan o. Yan. Ikaw ang iharap. Ay.
At ano yun, mga palutpot?
Mga palutpot daw. Dito na tayo sa kabilang area guys. Ito naman ng isang ori ng isda. Ayan o. Mga kabayo.
Ay, ano?
Seahorse. Yung maliit to.
Sayang.
So guys, ito naman yung mga lionfish. Lionfish. Yun ang masarap makatinik.
Yun yung dugo, yung natinig si Arlene.
O doon sa ano sa Sugbo. dagat. Mga samaral na maliliit.
Mamaya din tayo dyan.
Ito naman guys, ito yung tinatawag na dalagang bukid. Ayan o, dalagang bukid na lapad. Yan, dalagang bukid na lapad yun eh. Yan o. Dalagang bukid na lapad. So guys, dito naman tayo sa area ng mga malalaking talakitok. Talakitok. Ang lalaki. Yan guys, oh, yung mga pinapana ng mga spear fishing. Yan oh, lalaki.
Dali na pa.
Post mo na lang. Post.
Ay, di.
Yan guys, oh, laki. Laking talakitok. Yun. Yun oh. Ito yung pinapana ng mga spear fishing na ano. Ano, laki. Yun.
Yung ba yung mahal na kasi ng isda?
Yan ang mahal.
Yung kulay puti?
Oo. Sa mga laot na ito kinukuha, yung pinapana nila. Ito yung maliliit. Yan o, lalaki.
Ilang kilo siya ng
Hello guys, dito naman tayo sa area ng mga mantari, kung tawagin sa Tagalog, mga pagi. Yan guys, may kasama pang pating. Yun, ang laki oh.
ang lalaki.
Ang laki ng mga pating.
Tell me where to go to find beauty.
Please tell me that's the forest of
Please tell me why is that big a fish on this manta ray fighting?
Mantari.
I just saw one of the big fish running into a manta ray.
May labahita pa niya.
Please tell me.
Yan oh.
Oh, yeah.
Mga surgeon fish. Pinapana yan eh.
Binabalatan.
I know a menace.
Merong bangus, parang bangus.
I know a menace when I
Yan
see
oh.
one.
Flying fish yata yun.
Ang laki ng pating. Yun oh. Mantarin, laki.
Wait.
Yun.
You go in? Hold on.
Haba ng buntot.
Wait, oh, wait.
Yan, laki.
It's coming. Why's his face like?
Meron pang ano, tawag nito sweet clip.
Ay, nandito na kate.
Sweet clip, tawagin. Dalawang ori yun, may dilaw, may itim.
Ayun, haba ng buntot nitong ano. Paakot.
Yun oh, laki. Surahan niya nga. Yung bayang, tawag nito, yung, ano ba tawag nito? Yung sa Tagalog, ano yun eh, bayang, pinapana din yun.
Para palang still fighter itong lumawin mo. Ito mga pagi ah. Wala yung kinaya na.
Yan. Daanan ng lapad talaga, oh, yan. Patawag na. Okay, yun. Guys, sari-saring mga isda. Yun, oh. Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa sumandaling ito, dito po kami sa ganda talaga rito sa loob. Yan, no? May mga isla. Yan, no? Ganda ng picture.
Dapat nasa likod tayo. May isda pa rin yan ako ha.
Oh, ayan. Yan. Yan, dami pa rin.
Ikaw naman. Ang isda.
Ay, hindi pala naka... Okay. So guys, dito naman tayo sa isang aquarium. Ang nandirito naman, may napakalaking loba. Isang malaking grouper. Naalala ko lang yung mga pinapana doon sa Bahura. Malaking grouper. Ayan. Yun pa, isang pating. Pa. Laki ng pating. Yun, grouper. Yun, dami talaga nila. Yun, oh, laki.
Pakain sa mga ilo.
Meron pa rin dito sa taas guys. Oh. Laki, pating. Ang laki.
Yung dalawa nag-iisip ko yun.
With red body, green belly, rough skin and spines covering their backs. These fast and agile creatures have spiky tails, razor-sharp teeth, and talons reaching about 2 feet to 6 feet. Their remarkable eyesight allows them to detect prey or identify danger from a great distance. Herbivores by nature, they feast on a kind of fruits, vegetables, insects, and attack sweepers and climbers with a lifespan of about 20 years. They embody resilience in the wild. So once again, our green iguana, Iggy with greater birds. And today, we're going to meet our skillet friend, the ball python. A python species native to West and Central Africa, where it lives in grassland, shrublands, and open forests. This non-venomous constrictor is the smallest of the African pythons, growing to maximum length of 182 centimeters. The name ball python refers to its tendency to grow or long, when its strands are brightened. Once again, our ball python, Sahara, with later G. And now I have it in here, the bearded dragon. Belonging to the genus Pogona, are medium-sized lizard native to the arid regions of Australia. They have flapping body, triangular head, and distinctive bird Saan? There's a box? Okay guys, I think we found her. Trainers, can you check? Is that our missing animals? Uy! Yun! Cockroach na that one. Upstairs daw. Meron pa daw. I think the gray one. Guys! Is that sunshine? Is she okay? What? Not moving. Oh no. Come on guys, let's bring her out. Oh, here comes sunshine! Alright, everyone go close to our lucky guest. Thank you so much, Mom. Now let's present to you the animals and the triggers that make this show possible. Winner first with Iggy. Winner Pina with Gogar. Winner Regine with Sahara. Trainer JB and Trainer Rock with Sunshine. And once again, Trainer Shell, thank you all for joining us today for our show and tell session here at Aquatica. We hope you enjoy meeting our esteemed friends up close and learning more about their fascinating lives. Thank you again for being part of our Rebel Showcase, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. And regardless, among the live mountains. Let's go, Chaco! There you go! The show is really started. And of course, more Chaco with Trainer AJ. Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star World Show with me, Trainer Regine. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these silver cups. So we're going to put this object on our left, on your right, or here in the middle. Which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, let's go right here. Now, let's call our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super president captain. Silent name is Kakatuwa Mararita. Common inhabitants are of woodlands and forest areas along the east of Australia. Their lover and could mimic almost every sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, and historian, kakain na rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle's ability to find the secret object? Well, if you guess, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. But today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before starts battle, I will divide you into teams. So the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy, Sassy, Sassy. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky, Rocky. Alright, so we're ready. Trainers ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie. And for the last ball, Rocky wins. Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it. We want another race. Oh, she want another race, Trainer Jerry.
Are you sure about that?